superior user experience. Whether you're a professional photographer, an avid gamer, or just looking for a reliable and efficient smartphone, the iPhone 13 is an excellent choice that is sure to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. Apple just launched its newest iPhone, the iPhone 20. As always, Apple touts this device as its biggest advancement yet in terms of technology, features and performance. After using this new iPhone for a few weeks, here are my key takeaways. Design: the iPhone 20 features an all-new design that is both stunning and elegant. The device now has a flatter frame and squared-off edges that are reminiscent of the iPhone 4 and 5 era. The flat edges provide a more secure grip while the flatter sides rest comfortably in the hand. The display also has thinner bezels and comes in two new sizes, 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch, allowing for a larger screen in a body similar in size to prior models. The iPhone 20 is available in 4 refined colors: graphite, silver, gold and matte blue. Overall, the iPhone 20's re-engineered design brings a modern yet nostalgic aesthetic that feels fresh and premium. Display: the iPhone 20 sports Apple's best iPhone display yet. The Super Retina XDR OLED panel features 2000 nits of full-screen brightness, 2 million to 1 contrast ratio and support for the P3 wide color gamut. Text, colors and imagery really pop off the display, with subtle gradations and perfect blacks. Apple has also implemented a new technology called Promotion that dynamically adjusts the display's refresh rate between 10 to 120 Hz based on content. This enables smoother animations and scrolling while extending battery life. The display is truly the star of the new iPhone, boasting stunning image quality that puts previous iPhones to shame. Performance: the iPhone 20 is powered by Apple's new A14 Bionic chip, with a 6-core CPU and a 4-core CUDA. This results in dramatically improved performance for tasks like launching apps, editing photos and playing graphics-intensive games. Apps open nearly instantaneously and feel highly responsive. Apple claims the A14 is the fastest chip in a smartphone, and based on my usage thus far, that claim appears to be true. The new iPhone breezes through even the most demanding tasks while still delivering all-day battery life. The performance increases open up new possibilities for how the iPhone can be used moving forward. Camera: Apple made major advancements to the iPhone 20's camera system. The dual-lens setup now features larger sensors with 47% improved low-light performance for better photos in suboptimal lighting. Smart HDR3 uses ML to recognize and enhance up to 30 distinct objects in a scene. Apple introduced a 7-element lens for its ultra-wide camera, providing high-resolution photos and videos from that lens. Video capabilities were also upgraded with features like Dolby Vision HDR recording at up to 4K 60 fps and extended dynamic range for more natural-looking footage. Overall, the iPhone 20 takes the title of Best Smartphone Camera, producing highly detailed photos and HDR videos that rival some mid-range DSLRs. Conclusion: in summary, the iPhone 20 builds upon the strengths and quality of previous iPhones while raising the bar significantly with a reimagined design, jaw-dropping display, record-setting